Welcome to GATE-level. We will solve few problems on the concept of singular value decomposition. So given this matrix decompose into U, sigma and V. So first we will find the A transpose. It is the first step. Transpose of this matrix is 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 0, then 0, 0, 5. Then perform B is equal to A transpose into A. That is 0, 3, 0, 0, 4, 0, 3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5 into you have A as 0, 3, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 5. So this will be, let B is equal to, so 15, 0, 0, 0, 9, 0. So this row, this, and then last row 0, 0, and then 25. Now calculate the eigenvalues. Eigenvalues is given as B minus lambda I, determinant of this equal to 0. So B is nothing but what? A transpose into A. So B is 16 minus lambda 0, 0, 0 minus lambda 0, 0, 0, 25 minus lambda equal to 0. So all others are 0, so I can directly write. If you calculate, it will be 16 minus lambda into 9 minus lambda and 25 minus lambda equal to 0. So lambda 1 equal to 25, the highest value first. Because singular values have to calculate. Lambda 2 is equal to 15, lambda 3 is equal to 9. What are the singular values? Singular value are the positive value greater than or equal to 0. So this is square root of 25. That is 5. Singular value sigma 2 is equal to square root of 16.4. Sigma 3 equal to 9. So you have found out the singular values. Now to compute the step 2, that is find the right singular vectors v1, v2. So how will you find? So find the eigenvectors, that is b minus lambda I into your x, that is x, y, z. 3 variables are there. So let us take for lambda 1 equal to 25. So b is nothing but this 16 minus 25 is minus 9, 0, 0, 0, minus 16, 0, 0, 0, 0, matrix of this into, let us say 3 variables unknowns x, y, z is equal to 0. So if you find out, this is minus 9x equal to 0 implies x equal to 0, minus 16y equal to 0 implies y is equal to 0, and z is free. Let us put z equal to 1 into t. If I put 0, what happens? All will be 0, then it will not be eigenvector. All zeros, 0 vector is not an eigenvector. So let us take 1. So you can ignore this t for the time being because it's a scaling factor. So let us write. So finally my b1 will be 0, 0, 1. So let us ignore t for the time being, not required. Similarly, you find for lambda 2 equal to 16. So I will get, to calculate, this will be, so 25, 16 minus 16, 0, 0, 0. Then I will have 0 minus 7, 0, 0, 0, 9. So if you see here, x is free variable here. So into x, y, z is equal to 0. So I will get y is equal to 0, z equal to 0. So we will get v2 as, I can put x equal to 1t. or only 1. So V2 will be 1 0 0. Similarly, V3 will become, calculate, it will be 0 1 0. Okay, so that is done. That is step 2. What is step 3? So to calculate the left singular vector, that is ui. So step 3, u1 is equal to 1 by sigma 1 into a into v1. So if you calculate this, 1 by sigma 1 is 1 by 5 into, where A is initial matrix, that is 0 3 0 4 0 0 0 0 5 into, where vector 1 is 0 0 1. So this u1 equal to 0 0 1. Similarly, calculate u2. u2 will be 1 by sigma 2, that is 1 by 4, this matrix 0 3 0 4 0 0 0 0 5 into v2 is 1 0 0. So we will get for v2 equal to column matrix 0 1 0. Similarly, u3 is equal to 1 by 3 into a, that is a is 0 3 0, then 4 0 0 0 0 5 into v3. v3 is 0 1 0. 0 1 0. So this we get as u3 as 1 0 0. We form the vector. So what will be the left singular matrix? U is equal to u1 u2 u3. What is u1 u2 u3? u1 is 0 0 1 0 1 0 and 1 0 0. What is my sigma? So only diagonal elements, sigma 1 sigma 2 sigma 3 in the diagonals. So 5 4 3, rest will be 0. And then my v is equal to v1 v2 v3. This is v1 0 0 1, v2 is 1 0 0, and then I have this as 0 1 0. What is v transpose? V transpose is 0 0 1 1 0 0 0 1 0. This is my SVD, singular value decomposition, U sigma and V transpose. Next, for the same matrix, they are asking to find best rank 1 approximation, that is A1 is equal to, we'll write it as sigma 1 U1 V1 transpose. So that is 1 by sigma 1 is what? 4, right? 5. 5 into what is my U1? U1 is 0 0 1. 0 0 1 into V1 transpose. So V1 is this, V1 transpose is 0 0 1. So I'll get it as 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 5. This is my A1. Okay. Next, see, I'll get 5. So that is the meaning. So this is 5 here. Next, best rank to approximation. That is nothing but A2 is equal to sigma 2. Then you have U2 into V2 transpose. So best means I have to find A1 plus A2. A1 already I have found out. Okay, so A1 is 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 5. Then perform A2 and A1 plus A2 will be your result. That is the best to rank approximation. So A2 is equal to sigma 2 is 4, Q2 is 0, 1, 0. Then I have V2 transpose. So V2 is 1, 0, 0. So transpose of this is row matrix 1, 0, 0. So if I calculate this, I'll get A2 as 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. What is A1 plus A2? If I add these two, we'll get 0, 0, 0, 4, 0, 0 and 0, 0, 5. This is my best rank to approximation. So that completes the syllabus of vectors and linear algebra. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and share.